The name of the firm is Landscape Architecture Bureau, or Lab. Started out 25 years ago as a sole practitioner.
We all usually just refer to ourselves as landscape architects. We're all designers, we're all project managers, and we work together on each other's projects as well.
That's just the foundation of how this place works, is that the people who work here are just really, really good. Around, I think 2004, we started using AutoCAD. I can't say that anybody really loved it, but it was the industry standard and everybody used it.
We were struggling with basically getting support from Autodesk.
It was a bracing feeling to fire Autodesk, I've got to tell you. We went to Vectorworks. It really has worked out quite well. I think it's a terrific program. People love it.
Sustainability, that's really important to us here at Lab, and I think it's just becoming more and more important in all industries that we focus on sustainability in order to make our processes something that can continue through time and into the future. I find that one of our biggest areas where we can focus on sustainability is in planting. And I love the planting tool in Vectorworks. We use that on every project.
This project is called the Apollo, and it's in 8th Street Northeast in Washington, D.C. Up and coming neighborhood. The New York Times called it the sort of Brooklyn of D.C.
For the Apollo, we did use Vectorworks for each process, and obviously the time saving that provides you by using one program to transition you from design into implementation and more precise design development and contract documents is very helpful.
So Vectorworks to me is really like a design language. So once you become fluent in that language, it's a way to communicate with my coworkers and my colleagues here at Lab. It's a way to communicate with a client. It's a way to communicate with our design teammates, the architects and the civil engineers. But it also becomes something you can just go into the program and go. It's a very facile format to be able to do what we do.
I think if I were going to describe it to someone, I would start with its ease of use and learning. I mean, there are all sorts of complexities in the software, but the basics of the program are really simple. It's a dream to draw with, and that's really important to us.